Welcome my dear friends to the world of chemistry. Hi, myself Vinay. As I promised you all, I am going to tell you about TET and TGT Commission. So in the same series, today I am going to tell you about related to periodic table or their periodic trends. From this chapter, my dear friends, definitely you will score 2 to 3 marks. So already I told you what is the syllabus. Even as I told you, we have covered chapter number 1, that is basic concept of chemistry. From here I told you one question is there and 3 type of question is there now. Now second category comes, that is classification of elements and periodic properties. So from this chapter, let me tell you where is the most prone area from where you can get definitely a question. So let's move forward. Here from this chapter you can score 2 to 3 questions easily, like it may be based upon electronic configuration. So in electronic configuration, sometimes general electronic configuration is there or sometimes specific atomic number is given to you. Next is atomic radii and ionic radii. From this second category, definitely there is a question, but it is comparative type question. Then thereafter we have next category, ionization enthalpy. It is comparative question all the time. Then next is electron gain enthalpy. In electron gain enthalpy, definitely it is a comparative question, and same is one more question from electron negativity. Sometimes it is a direct question, which element is most electronegative element of periodic table. Same sometimes it is electron gain enthalpy also, which element is having most electron gain enthalpy or higher electron gain enthalpy. These are some direct questions also. So let me tell you what you need to know in this chapter. First thing, this whole chapter is related to periodic table, so you must have a good knowledge of periodic table. So even here you all know this thing, there are 7 periods and 18 groups. In most of the periodic table, all of the maximum elements are metals. Metal and metalloids are in between with yellow color and non-metals in the last. And extreme last is a gaseous form where they are noble gases. Thereafter you must know the electronic configuration of the chapter. Like for first it is NS 1 to 2. It is for S block element. For P block element, general configuration is NS2 and P1 to 6. For D group, N-1, D1 to 10, NS1 or 2. Same is with of F block. Here you can see that is NF1 to 14, N-1, D0 to 1 and NS2. One thing you can find most common, that is NS2 between P and F block. But nowadays question level is changed. Directly examiner is asking what is the electronic configuration of 17th group or 18th group. Then you need to vary this value of P here. Same is in all cases. Maybe direct question is asked. Thereafter what you need to know in this chapter, that is periodic trends. You must know which side atomic radii is increasing, which side it is decreasing. So you can see atomic trend is given to you, like atomic trend first is atomic radii. Atomic radii is increasing down the group but decreasing here along the periods. Then ionization enthalpy, electron gain enthalpy and electronegativity, all these 3 have same trend, like all are increasing along with period and decreasing along with the group. So this you need to understand properly. Thereafter some common factors which you must know exactly. Some direct question is there, like fluorine is most electronegative element of the periodic table. Chlorine is having high electron gain enthalpy. Noble gases have positive electron gain enthalpy value and size decrease with increase in nuclear charge in isoelectronic series. This isoelectronic series is most important here. Next we have noble gases have very high ionization enthalpy, and you can see fluorine is smallest and lithium is the largest second period element. This you need to know. Then element having lower ionization enthalpy are very good reducing agent. And last you can see francium is the largest element in the periodic table. These concepts you need to know first, and thereafter we are going to discuss previous year question paper. Like you can see first question from here, that is highest ionization enthalpy. So you can see it is based on ionization enthalpy. Next we have, you can see it is electron gain enthalpy, second question. These all are in TGT. You can see next one is related to isoelectronic series, and it may be given in the form of maximum number of electron also. Same is the case here. Find the maximum number of unpaired electrons. So we need to calculate unpaired electron in this case. Next we have isoelectronic series, how to find out which two are isoelectronic, and the last one, it is related to direct atomic numbers, like actinides are the element with atomic number. So my dear friends, I am going to discuss all these questions in my upcoming video. So thanks for watching it. Stay tuned for upcoming updates.